In this video, I will show you 2 ways how to use the crop effect in Premiere Pro. So let's get on with it. Okay guys, now in Premiere Pro, first I will start with creating text animation by using the crop effect. And of course, what I will need is a text. And to do that, I will press T. And then I will go to the program monitor and create text. I will write down crop effect. Center it at the middle of the program monitor by going to the align and transform from properties and clicking onto these 2 little icons. And now we are ready to create the animation. So I will go to effects, and then from there I'm going to type down crop effect. I'll find a crop effect and drop it over the text. And then I will go to the effect control panel, find the crop. And from here, I will create a keyframe onto left, and then I'll drag it all the way until the text disappears. Then what I'll do, I'll move this keyframe, let's say 5, 10, 15 frames forward, and then I'll go back and reset the parameters. And when I play it, we got something like that. It looks very rough, so what we can do is ease in the second keyframe and then ease out the first one. Open the properties, then I'll select one of the keyframes and then go to the velocity and pull the right lever to the left, like that. So you can create this peak. And when I play it, we've got this. So it still looks a little bit too fast, so I'll take the second keyframe and move it further away from the first keyframe. All right, that looks better. Also, what we can do is go to edge feather and increase it. This will contribute to the smoother animation. And I'll play it again. Boom. Now going to technique number 2, I've got these 2 clips on the timeline, and what I want to do is create a transition between those clips. And to do that, I'll select the first clip. Then, of course, I'll go back to the effects, and from there, one more time, I'll grab the crop effect and drop it onto the top video. I'll go to the effects control panel, find the crop effect, and let's say that I want the transition to begin from here. And one more time, I'm gonna use the left option. So what I'll do, I'll create a keyframe with value 0, then I'll move the cursor 5, 10, 15, 20 frames forward and go all the way to the left. And one more time, let me just move the cursor over here so I can see how much edge feather we're gonna put. And then, as I said, I'm gonna go to the edge feather and increase it, so both videos can blend into each other. And to make the transition smoother, once again, right click, ease in, then the first one, right click, ease out. And when I play it, we've got this transition. If you learned something new and you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like this one. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.